Hi guys, I'm back and I'm chewing Bubblicious bubblegum, watermelon flavor, and I have some magazines, some oracle cards. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm going to show you the Halloween oracles. It's close to Halloween. And let's just pretend like I'm doing a reading for you, okay? So that way it won't be boring and you're not just looking at cards. Right? So I'm going to shuffle like 3 times. First card. The Witch. This means the earthly weaver of the worlds, which means she creates, through spells and manifesting and will. She weaves the worlds. Okay. Let's see what's next. Invisibility. This means authenticity, like being yourself, not fitting in with the crowd, not being like everyone else, but authenticity. The jack-o'-lantern. This means protection. So you're protected or you need protection of some sort in your life. Ooh. The apple. Risk and reward. I mean, if you don't take any risks, how do you know that you're not going to succeed? Could be a reward in there. Okay. Werewolf. Exploring wildness. Sometimes you have to break loose and explore your wild side, Death. And the eternal cycle begins here. So it's basically saying death is like a cycle. You're born, you die, you're born again, you die. You live eternally. And death is just the exit out of this life. Just like birth is just the entrance. I like this one. Eternal love. Love is love, and it transcends physical death. All of that. Okay, so that was y'all's reading. Actually, that's not how I really do readings, but for the sake of the video, it's good enough. Okay, so I get these magazines free in the mail. I get Family Circle and Better Homes. I don't know why. I just get them. They send them to me free. I don't know. So let's get into it, shall we? So I guess these magazines are geared towards women my age, what they think I would like. Furniture, wrinkle cream, shampoo. See what else they think I like. Gardening. So far, no good. Plates and dishes. laundry detergent, bedding. Oh, be still my heart. Cooking. So far, nothing. Makeup, yeah, I might like some makeup. Sun chips. Decorating. Not yet. Yeah. Cats. They just don't know me at all, do they? Ew, that looks nasty, y'all. Let's see what I'm looking at. Ooh. It's like eggs with some sauce. Okay. Now I see why the magazine is free. Blah, blah, blah. This was boring. Now let's look in Family Circle. These are the kind of magazines they have at doctor's offices. They're boring. Actually, this magazine's a little bit better. They have more makeup. Still kind of boring though. And better recipes. It looks like they're getting stuff off Pinterest now. I'm going to show you guys something I found at a park. Check this out, a baby pumpkin. It was just like sitting under a tree and I picked it up, put it in a cube. I think someone left it there and I found it, so I took it. Put some hand sanitizer. This is sweet cinnamon pumpkin. It smells so good. It smells so good. So yes, those magazines were boring as H. Okay, let's read something else. I have this book, Encyclopedia of Ghosts and Hauntings. Let's see what we can read. Something short. goes in order alphabetically. We have mermaids in here, you guys. Okay, here's something short. Phantom. Something apparently seen, heard, or sensed, but having no physical reality. Alternative term for an apparition, ghost, or specter. Phantom. Phantom bells, phantom birds, phantom coach, phantom heads, phantom hitchhiker, phantom monks and nuns, phantom ships, phantom travelers, phantom vehicles. Phasmophobia, an abnormal and persistent fear of ghosts and the unknown. Do you have phasmophobia? I think a lot of people have that. The condition is typically caused by the trauma experienced while watching Hollywood films of ghosts and or horror stories such as The Exorcist. Treatment options are similar to those for any phobia and may involve counseling, therapy, alternative therapies such as hypnotherapy or severe causes. Oh, and in severe cases, medication. You have to take medication because you're scared of ghosts or scary movies. I don't know. I never had to. I think it like made me more intrigued with the subjects that I would like want to learn about them versus being, afraid of them. Phone calls from the dead. Okay. It seems that the dead are willing to make use of whatever means or whatever technology is available to them to make contact with the living. And there have been numerous reports of communications with spirits via the telephone. Phone calls come from the dead appear to occur randomly, and the great majority are exchanges with loved ones, people who share close bonds with the deceased when they were alive. That's kind of cool. I had some weird experience with my phone. Strange. But I do believe that it's possible. Ravens. Y'all heard of The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe? It says ravens are considered to be the most intelligent bird with a long lifespan. Ravens, crows, and magpies have been surrounded by superstition and myth for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans considered the crow to be a weather prophet, and the raven is still regarded by the Greeks as a thunderbird because its alleged ability to predict a storm. In Britain, to find a dead crow on the road is considered to be a sign of good luck, while to find one in a churchyard is considered bad luck. So this is a really cool book if you're like interested in paranormal stuff and the meanings of many things. It's like an encyclopedia, and I got it for super cheap. It was in the bargain section for like $5, so I got a deal there. Alright, you guys, my time's almost up, so thank you guys so much for watching and commenting and all that good stuff. And if y'all want to hear something funny, I want to do more of these videos like gum chews and magazines and books and stuff like that, but my kids keep stealing my gum, and when I go to make the video I have no gum, or they've chewed it all. And so I've tried to hide a few pieces, and I found this piece that was hidden in my drawer, and I dug it out before I could make you guys a video because they steal my stuff. I'm gonna have to hide it and lock it up. So tell me what you guys want to see next. Do y'all want more tarot cards, oracle cards, book reading, magazine flip? Let me know what you guys want. Make it like something that I can do, you know, without too much planning, because y'all know I'm kind of busy. So let me know. I'll see y'all later. Bye.